Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, if you're using Woodmart theme, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you will able to customize the shop page. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Before we customize our Woodmart shop page, so make sure before we go into video you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. For hosting, I can recommend you some of the hosting provider. You will find link in description. To customize Woodmart shop page here, we don't have any particular template. Then how we can customize the shop page in Woodmart theme? So let me go to my WordPress dashboard. In the WordPress dashboard, let me go to the Woodmart theme setting and let's click on product archive. So we have to go to setting product archive to customize the shop page. Then here on the number first we have Ajax shop. What that mean? Ajax shop. Ajax shop has these tabs. If you can see here under the shop title, we have some category like clock, cooking, furniture, lighting. These are the, we call it Ajax tabs. If you want to enable these tabs, you have to keep enable this setting Ajax shop. And then next, scroll to top after Ajax. If we scroll down, we click here like product, and it will give you result according your selection from the Ajax. So the next setting we have scroll to top after Ajax. What that mean? If I go to my shop page and scroll down to, if I select or filter by color or by size products, let me select here like a yellow, and it will scroll up automatically. So if I choose any other color, and you will see the page will scroll up like that. So for that you can enable this option. Breadcrumbs on shop page. So these are the breadcrumbs. This is a breadcrumb like shop slash home slash shop. This is called the breadcrumb. You can enable or disable breadcrumbs from your shop page. Next we have category description position. So if I go to any product category, click on any category, and it will show if the category has a description available, the description will show exact on under the products before product grid. Before product grid, that means here the products. So description will show somewhere here. If the category has description, then it will only show. So let me select here after product grid. You also can select after product grid, and the description will show somewhere here on the downside. And then we have a show out of stock product at the end, experimental. So it will show the products have out of stock will show under very end of this page. If you want to keep show out of stock product, you have to enable that option, show out of stock product at the end. That means at the end somewhere on the main shop page. Let me go back to the shop page, and yeah, this here somewhere downside here. Then you have to enable this option. Let's go to product grid, which is very important. What is product grid? This is product grid. How many product you wanna see here? Like right now we have 3 products. Let me clear filters, and you will see here 1 2 3 product per one row. So if we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it will be 12, because back from the theme setting we have set 12 products here. First, shop product view. How you wanna see the product? You wanna see as grid like that, or you want to see as a list. So product will show as a list, product view, and then products column on desktop. These are three column for the desktop. If you want to increase, like you want to see four product per one row, then you have to select here four. Space between products on desktop. So this is the pixel, 20 pixel space between the products. This space between each product, we have little space here to divide every product. You can increase this space if you want, or you have to stay with the default setting of 20. Number of column selector. So this option, number of column selector. So we will able to select the column as how we want. We can switch to other grid or view as list or multiple. Then you have to enable the option number of column selector. You allow them to select the column. Available product column variation 2, 3, 4. What that mean? The variation available in the product grid is two product. If I select on 3, that will be show 3 product per one row. If I select 4, there will be 4 product per one row. So you also can enter like 6. Now there will be 6 product per one row. So I will not recommend, I will recommend until 4 according the width we have as a desktop. So I will recommend keep it 2, 3 or 4 for the good sighting. Next we have a Monterey grid. If you want to enable Monterey grid, and it will show your product like Monterey grids here. If you want to keep the as grid, you also can keep as grid, then you have to keep it disabled. Product grid with the different sizes. Some product might have big images. So if you want to see product as it is with the different sizes, then you have to enable it. In this situation, some of the product will be twice bigger in the width than other. Recommend to use with 6 column grid only. What that mean? Only select this option if you have a product column like 6. Okay, then you have to enable it. So product will see in the different sizes according the width you have available in the desktop. Some product might see bigger, little, smaller. According, it will adjust according the width. Products per page. This is what we count in earlier. We have 12 products here on the shop page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You also can increase the number of product you want to see in product page, in shop page. Under the pages, you have to increase the number of product per page. You can increase like 18, 24, 28, something like that. According your selection here, product column 3. 3 product per one column. So you can divide to 3. If you want to display like like 5 or 6 row, you have to divide with 3. 6 by 3, 18. So you have to put under here 18, and that will make 4 column of each 3 product. Product per page variations 9, 12, 18, 20. So these are the variation we have. If you want to see product per page variation, like you want to show all product on the page, all the product, then you have to enter one here. Product pagination. So if we scroll down, the product will open automatically with the pagination on the page. You also can add here view more or view more product. Then you have to select here product pagination, load more button, or infinite scroll. Infinite scroll means if someone visit on the shop page, they keep scroll, the product will keep open. According there, scroll down with the mouse. So you have to decide from these settings. Keep the page number in the URL. Yeah, this will show the number of page you are visiting. Example, if there are pagination with the 2 3 4, if I click on 4 number 4 page, then immediately you will see the URL will be changed with the number 4. So it will only add the number in the URL that show you are on number 4 on the shop page. Enable this option if you want to change the page number in URLs. On, click on load more. Yeah, if you select here load more, then you can enable it. Otherwise, disable it if you have infinite scrolling or pagination. Pagination or load more, that will work with keep the page number, because pagination has like a number 2, it will allow to visit you number 2 page, number 3 page. Same in load more. Okay, the next we have here product style. What type of style of product view you like here? You have to select from the options hover on product. That means if I hover on any product, this is the some options we can see in the sidebar as a sidebar. If I hover on any product, and it will show me some icons like add to cart, quick view, add to compare, and add to wish list, four options. Then you have to select the style here. If someone hover here, how they will see the icons or the design. So let me select here number 4. 1 2 3 4. Number 4, and this is something horizontal. Let me save option to see the changes. Let's refresh. Let me disable my catch-up plugin for now. Sometime you not see changes, make sure you disable your catch-up plugin. So let me disable and refresh. So you can see the changes here. If you like this style, you have to keep select on number 4 here. Number 4. You can try out other styles. Keep in mind these styles only work upon the hover on product. Hover means if you bring mouse here, this is the style, how they will look like. And the next we have here product background. If you wanna enable product background, add background to all product loop item except product elements, which have their own options. So this will only add, let me select little dark color here and save option to see how it will work. So let's refresh. So this is how it will work. This will add background color. If you like this one, or if you want to go with a little gray or red color or any light color, or I will recommend keep this option disabled. Product shadow, yeah, I will recommend enable product shadow. I love shadows, and sometime if we have shadow, our website look more like beautiful, and the product how they look like after the shadow. And you also can see now border is visible because we enable the border here. Product border, border outside or inside, keep it outside. Product shadow enable. Next we have a layout, even product grid for desktop. Align the product hover content to bottom of product row. Okay, so this is only to align if sometime you see there is misalignment between the products when you hover. This will only align them. Product title line limit. So if you want to set limit to the products, for example, if I can show you the product here, the title is very limited to 3 words only. So if you want to show the product title, the whole product title, then you have to select like 1 line, 2 line, or none. If you select none, this will show the product title as you set in the backend. If your product title is very longer on each product or sum of product, then you can go with the 2 lines or 1 line. That means product title will show only in 1 line or 2 lines, not more than that. So if the product title will be more bigger, uh, the layout will misalign, right? So if there are big title with the 3 or 4 rows, 4 lines, and this product will be misaligned with this one. So here, so we have to align each product title. If you have a big title or if you have a long title, I will recommend to set 1 line or 2 line. Next, show empty star rating. So this will show the star rating on the product. Even the product does not have any rating, it will show 0 rating. So I don't think so we have to enable this option. We want to hide the empty rating. If the product has no rating, I don't want to show it. Next, elements, hover image. So if someone hover on the image on any product, that will show different products or the main product upon the hover on image. You can set the setting here like upon the hover, if you want to see the gallery, it will show all the products with a quick change. So if I select here product gallery, hover, so it will show product gallery how many images this product has, because some people when they hover on the product they want to see change some images to see the product right way here without even click on product. So I will recommend to enable this option. It will help you really. Okay, quantity input on product. So you can enable this option if you allow them to choose quantity on the shop page. Then they have option to choose the quantity right way from the product under the product, two quantity, 2 item, 3 item. Then they will choose directly from the shop page. Then you have to enable this option. Stock status position. The stock status position here, sometime product out of stock, it will show exactly on the upper side. If you select here after title, okay, so it will show exactly after the title here, in stock or out of stock. So I want to see here somewhere on the upper side, so I will keep in thumbnail. Then stock progress bar. Progress bar, it will show how many items left for particular item. Example, this is the decoration wooden present, so it will show 20 item left, out of 20 only 2 left. This will show like a progress bar if you want to enable this progress bar for the product. Countdown timer, if it has any product has sale, it will show countdown timer exactly on each product. Any product have sale, it will show time. It will show time, but it will, I think it will misalign the layout. So you can think if you want to enable countdown timer or not. So let's try out these options, save changes, to see what changes we have in the page. Yeah, you can see here. Now if I hover on each product, it will show whole gallery. Just to keep here, and it will keep show you the gallery images. Show product brands. If you wanna show product brand, any product belong to which brand, it will show exactly under the price, like here. Then you have to enable product brands here to show SKU, stock keeping unit. It will show SKU, the code of product. So I will not recommend to disable this, enable it, keep it disabled, these things. Show review count, how many product has how many reviews. It will show if the product has 5 reviews, 6 reviews, it will show how many reviews. Right now it only show the rating here, but if you enable this option, show review count, it will also show how many reviews, positive review here, how many total review here, might be total review. Okay, now let's save options and refresh to see changes. As you can see, now it show one review on the product, which I like it. So people will able to see how many particular product has how many reviews. So this way you can design your shop page with the different options. If you're not yet subscribed my channel, or if you're visiting first time, please hit the subscribe button. So we bring more tutorial on e-commerce, website design or WordPress. So keep stay with me. And then let's try out some other setting we have here under product archive, category style. The category style, how the category design will look like. So this is the category. Let me show you which category this particular setting is belong to. If I go to my website homepage, as you remember, sometime we add categories on the homepage. We use category element. So this is the how categories will show. It has like photos, how many items, because in the setting we choose this style. So if I choose any other style, this is the different style you can, it will show on your front page where category added. So you can select according your needs. Let's go to shop filter. If you want to enable shop filter. So right now shop filter is disabled. So let's try out shop filter enable to see the setting is belong to which here. So let's refresh our shop page. So here on the shop page, you will see here exactly we have a filter. If we click on filter, they will able to filterize more. But we already have this sidebar for the filter. You can keep the sidebar, then you have to keep this setting disabled. Next, content, shop filter content by visit, or you can also create HTML block for the filter content. Shop filter column on desktop, how many column you want in the filter. If I click on filter here, and this is the how many column we have here. Filter sort by product filter, price filter, color, and then for. You can adjust here. Hide price filter. If you want to hide this price filter here, price, it will hide price filter. Sort by, if you want to disable this sort by filter, and we have a more options. Let's click on visits. So which visit they are talking about? The visit I'm already explain you, we already have a filter in the sidebar, right? So this is the, instead of we call it the sidebar filter, and they call it visit. So this is the visit as filter we have. This is the setting for the sidebar filter. So you can adjust the setting, hide for filter visit, and shop sidebar visit collapse. So that means if I select on all visit, there will be option to disable the sidebar whole filter, and they click same here. We have a filter. This is the collapse. Upon click it open and close. So same here if you want in the sidebar. Next, let's click on page title. So this is the page title look like. This one, shop. If you want to design the title, this is the setting for. So we have to keep enable page title, category in page title. The category is here in page title. If you want to show these categories or disable, you have to disable this option under page title categories. You have to disable it. If you enable it, then you can also adjust more things here, like show product count on each category. Product count is here, one product, 5 product under each category. In the title, we call it title, the whole banner here. And then hide empty category. It will hide empty category. The categories does not have any product, it will not show here. So this is the useful setting to keep it enabled. If you want to exclude any category you don't want to show, example, you don't want to show clocks, so it will hide clocks from the title category, we call it. Okay, then you have to select here, you want to exclude mobile category layout. This is the mobile category layout, how it will look like in the mobile. Hidden sidebar, if you want a hidden sidebar, they will able to hide the sidebar in the mobile. Accordion, okay, and save options. Let's click on the last one, sidebar. This is a sidebar for the position only. This is sidebar position. We have left side here. If you want to keep it right side, and then you have to select setting here for the right side. Okay, 2 column right, and this is 2 column left. This is the 1 column for the sidebar. You can set here sidebar size, keep it medium. If you keep it large, the sidebar will be more larger instead, because we want to show some product. So the filter, the sidebar should be little smaller, medium or small recommended. Off canvas sidebar for desktop. So if you want to enable off canvas sidebar, if they will click anywhere here, filter, it will open sidebar from the left side. So let me show you, enable this option, save options, and refresh it. Okay, now you can see we don't have sidebar, we have only product, but we have option to show sidebar. The sidebar will open from the left side here. They can filter by price. This work as show sidebar or close sidebar. So this setting also useful if you want to show all product and add option to show sidebar. And then we have a sticky off canvas sidebar button. And even if we scroll down, the sidebar option will be stick there. Okay, and save options. So these are the setting for the shop page. If you wanna watch other videos of Woodmart, we have complete playlist for that. You can watch my other videos there. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it.